Matrix times table. Multiply with your hands. Hi, I'm Yuri. In this video, I'll teach you how you can do the times table from 6 to 10 on the fingers. You can follow along with me. Place your two hands in front of you and imagine numbers on your fingers 6 to 10, going from your thumb to your pinky finger. Let's do the problem of 7 times 8. We rotate our left hand so we have one finger being 7, and we rotate our right hand to line up the number 8. Now we'll count the numbers of fingers that are below. The two fingers which are touching, we have two fingers that on the left hand and three fingers on the right hand, which is total of 5 fingers. This become the tenth digit of our answer. The fingers that are above the touching fingers are three on the left hand and two on the right hand. We multiply these three times two is 6, and that get us our answer of 56. You can use this produce anytime you are multiplying two numbers between 6, and we're going to rotate our right hand to line up the number 8. We now count the of the number of fingers that are below the fingers that are touching, including the fingers that are touching. So we have one finger on the left hand and 30 finger on the right hand, which become 4 fingers, and this is 40 because the fingers that are below the fingers that are touching are always counted as tens. Now we have 4 fingers above that touching and 2 fingers on the right hand. We multiply this and we have 8. Add these two numbers 40 and 4 and 8 to get answer of 48. This produce always works the 6 numbers to 10. Let's do the final example of 8 times 8. We rotate our left hand so we have the middle finger as number, and we rotate our right hand off to the middle finger as number 8 too. Now we count the number of that are touching below. We have 3 on the left and hand and 3 on the right hand, which makes the 6 or 60. Now we count the fingers which are above the fingers which are touching. On the left hand we have 2, and on the right hand we have also 2 fingers. Multiply these two. 2 times 2 is 4. So we add 60 and 4 to get 64, and the fact 8 times 8 is 64. So it's pretty neat. Thanks for watching.